I'm the principal of TMRS Bahadurpura Girls 2, Rafia Shaheen. As per the orders by the government, we have to reopen the school for grade 9 and 10 from 1st February. So we have geared up and we have done all the arrangements to welcome our students after a long time. And we are not only excited to welcome our students, but we are very cautious to take all the precautionary measures because as it is COVID-19 and our students are going to join us in the school. We have arranged the school seating arrangement in such a way that not more than 20 students can sit in each class. And even the dormitories, all the dining area, everything is designed keeping in mind the social distancing, keeping in mind the sanitization, keeping in mind the students' safety. We have a isolation ward for the students where the students who are sneezing or coughing, we have a special treatment for them. We have 24/7 nurse with us. We have well equipped and trained staff for fighting against all the upcoming challenges which are going to be there. And even keeping in mind the COVID, we have maintained a social distancing, like even the classroom setup. The classroom, one child will be sitting in one bench, and dining areas also on each table. They used to sit 8 students, but now it is cut down to 4. So alternate in a zigzag way. So everything is well set, and we are ready to welcome. And as Republic Day is there tomorrow, and today is 25th of Jan, and tomorrow is 26th. So on the occasion of Republic Day, we have invited grade 9 and 10th class parents, so that the parents come and see the arrangements what we have done. So finally, it's the parent who is going to send the child to the school. So we want the parents to come and see the arrangements. Parents should come and see what arrangement we have done. They should be satisfied. Yes, we can send our child. The child is safe in the school. So the parents will be coming and they will be seeing the dining area, the kitchen area, the seating arrangement, the dormitories, what all precaution the school has taken. So because the child safety is important. When the parent says yes and satisfied, then we are going to take a consent letter which is designed by the TMRS head office, where the parents have to write the willingness. Yes, I am ready to send my child to the school. Only after signing on the consent letter, we are going to admit the child in our school. Suppose if parent is not ready, if a parent is not ready to send in the school, then the parent has to write in the letter that I am not willing to send. That child will be taken online classes. We will take online classes. The child will be at home. The teacher will take online classes for those students. But the project, the assignments, everything will be parallel to the online students and the offline students with us. So we have designed everything keeping in mind the protocol of COVID, the sanitization procedure, the academic procedure. The timetable is being prepared according to the interest of the students. The teachers are trained according to the upcoming challenges. So I request, a humble request to all my parents and the people who are watching this. Send your child, because we worry more than you. We will take care of your children, and I'm happy that government has taken an initiative to open, and again the students will be back with us. So a humble request to all the parents, I can say that we are very happy to welcome with all the safety and security measures. So waiting for the 1st Feb for our students, and a positive response from our parents that all the parents will surely send their children, because you always expect good from TMRS, and always TMRS has given best of the best to the students.